Okay, so today I'm going to work on the WJ a little bit more. I got these brackets from Trail Forged. These are for the front lower control arms. They're little reinforcing plates, skid plates, whatever you want to call them. They go on the front lower control arms. Anyway, so you can see when I was out on Rattlesnake. No, you can't. I need better light. So these go onto the lower control arms, just like that, and it provides some extra strengthening, and it, a skid for the bottom, so that when you drag these across rocks or smack them on rocks, it doesn't destroy them quite as much. You can see over on this side that I did just that. Smack that on a rock. So I'll probably try and bend that out, maybe, but then that'll go right over the top. So that's what I'm going to do today. Well, I think that might be about all I can do. It's gonna have to be good enough. I think that'll do. I can fill that. So I'm gonna let that one cool so I can grind that down, because gravity is pulling my lobe off of it. I'm gonna let it cool, grind that down, and then try and fix it. Alright, so I got those on there. Let me show you how they look. So, I managed to get that looking slightly better. Still not the prettiest, but it's hard to weld on a vertical surface like that. I would say if you have your axle out, that would probably be the time to do these, because then you can weld it, on jack stands or a bench or whatever. But it'll work. It ain't gonna fall off. And a little bit of paint, and it'll be just fine. So I'm just going to paint them up, and then should be all set. Alright, that's going to do it for the Trail Forged lower control arm skids. Thanks for watching.